Apple Embedded Swift Programming Language expands MCU support. Apple's launch. Apple has launched a beta version of Embedded Swift. MCU Support expands support to microcontrollers like Expressif32, Spanish Pesetas C6, Raspberry Pi RP2040, STM32F7, and NRF 52840. Traditional use, traditionally used for mobile app development. Optimized for MCUs, optimized for low-resource environments with a smaller footprint. Core benefits, maintains core benefits of Swift for embedded systems. Broad compatibility, supports a range of microcontrollers from various manufacturers. Reduced binary size can be as small as 10 kilobytes, crucial for limited memory and storage. Memory mapped register access, includes Swift MMIO library for direct hardware interaction. Developer support, offers support through online forums for collaboration and troubleshooting. Future prospects, potential to simplify microcontroller programming for Swift developers as the platform matures.